Grits didn't just show up on a diner menu, they were born from survival, skill, and the original foodways of this land. Indigenous peoples across the southeast ground dried corn into meals and hominy, then shared those techniques with European settlers. Over time, corn thrived in the southern climate, and grits became the everyday bowl that fed farms, families, and whole communities. Why the South? Corn was king there. With native traditions and the cooking genius of enslaved Africans shaping flavors, grits turned into comfort, savory, simple, and endlessly adaptable. Up north, wheat and oats took the spotlight, so the taste for grits never really stuck. Down south, folks learned how to coax magic out of a pot. Salt it right, cook it slow, finish with butter, cheese, gravy, and it sings. So what are grits? Ground corn. You'll see. Stone ground, coarser, whole grain, big flavor, more fiber. Hominy grits. Corn nixtamalized in an alkaline bath. Mellower taste, softer bite. Quick, instant. Finer grind, faster cook, milder flavor. How to make them. 4 parts liquid to 1 part grits for creamy. Salt the water. Simmer low, stir often. Stone ground can take 30-45 minutes. Quick grits need 5-10. Finish with butter, a splash of cream or cheese, pepper on top. Favorite southern plates? Grits and eggs. Soft peppery grits under a runny yolk. Fish and grits. Crispy catfish over buttery grits with hot sauce. Shrimp and grits. Smoky bacon, scallions, a little garlic, maybe a splash of stock and lemon. Red gravy. Tomato gravy built on bacon drippings. Spooned over grits with eggs or pork chops. Got leftovers? Chill, slice, and pan fry into grits cakes or patties till golden. Nutrition time. A cup of cooked grits runs roughly 150-180 calories, mostly complex carbs, about 3 to 4 grams of protein, low fat. Fiber? Regular or hominy grits have a little. Stone ground whole grain grits have more. Many brands are enriched with B vitamins, folate, niacin, thiamine, and iron. Yellow grits also bring carotenoids like lutein, zeaxanthin, and yes, they're naturally gluten-free. Just check labels for cross-contact. Cost? Dirt cheap. We're talking cents per serving, 30 to 50 for stone ground, even less for quick. More ways to riff. Cheddar jalapeno grits with scallions, pimento cheese grits under barbecue, creamy parmesan grits with roast veggies, breakfast casserole, baked grits with sausage and eggs, grits fries, chill thick grits, cut sticks, and fry. Grits are heritage in a bowl. Simple corn turned soulful by time and technique. Cook them slow, season them proud, and they'll always taste like home. Be sure to like and subscribe to SCO's Media YouTube channel for more content like this.